Hello everyone. If you are a qualified company secretary or you are a CS trainee, then watch this video till the end because this video may change your future forever when it comes to knowledge, when it comes to confidence, when it comes to success in long-term professional career. Because in the recent past, hundreds of qualified company secretaries have taken our video lectures of company law and then security laws, including SEBI takeover code, delisting of equity share regulations, SEBI ICDR regulations, LODR regulations, insider trading regulations, SBEB buyback regulations, and so on, and insolvency bankruptcy code, FEMA, etc. And they have benefited a lot. Well, and the first feedback which they have given to us, that is, sir, we have gained a lot in the knowledge and confidence, both of them. So just in case you are lacking confidence, though you are having that degree of CS, you are having that, you are a qualified CS, well, with all due respect, well, but I'll say still you feel that you are lacking the confidence in somewhere, and you have tried to give the interview in various places, but you are not able to get selected. Then in that case, I assure you, well, whatever feedback we have received from hundreds of qualified company secretaries, you will give the same feedback in the coming time to me. And well, I am telling you few cases to quote. Well, there are qualified company secretaries who have already worked in the corporate sector for 15 years, 16 years, and after that they have taken our video lectures of company law, security law, merger and amalgamation, SEBI takeover code, insolvency bankruptcy code, and they have seen those videos, and the feedback they have given to me, as I told you, that the increase in the confidence, the increase in the knowledge, and then better level job opportunities. So they have got the better level jobs after watching our video lectures. And then there are qualified company secretaries, well, who have started their own practice after watching our videos. The level of knowledge they have gained, well, that is, sir, that, well, sir, we were planning to do our practice, but we were not having the confidence. Initially, that was the feedback that was there before taking our lectures. And after taking our lectures, they have started their own practice. They are doing good. They are happy in life, and successful in their professional career. And some of the qualified company secretaries, well, especially I'll say the female qualified company secretaries, who had given a gap because of their family compulsion, well, in their professional career, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years gap, and they want to restart their career once again. They have taken our video lectures of company law, security law, FEMA, and insolvency bankruptcy code, merger amalgamation. And those girls are so very happy, sir, that we are gaining our confidence level back. And well, you know that the art of studying the Berek, that bal ki khal and khal ki khal and khal ki bhi khal, that skill of interpretation, that art and the skill of interpretation, the linkages, the connectivities of various sections, well, that gives the confidence. That gives the confidence, well, to take the next step in your life. And yes, one thing I like to share, well, there are practicing company secretaries who are running their own practice successfully in the last 15, 16 years, and they are very happily well, successful in their career. Now they have taken our video lectures, and they are watching those video lectures and giving me the feedback, sir, even we are upgrading in our knowledge. Even we are upgrading in our knowledge, and what we have not, well, learned in 15 or 16 years is coming through Berect and through you to us. And we are enjoying that knowledge either in the morning hours, like 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. before going to the office on daily basis, or we are enjoying your video lectures on the weekends, on Sundays as well, or we are enjoying your video lectures while going to the office, traveling to the office, or traveling back home. Well, that is something which makes me feel, I should say, that is amazing feeling somewhere in my heart. And at the same time, those practicing company secretaries, well, they are showing their these video lectures to their trainees also. So trainees are also grateful to their boss, that boss, this is an add-on advantage when we are working with you. So well, after all these feedbacks, what I like to make a small point over here is, when I'm talking about the connectivity of various provisions in company law, when we talk about section 67, read with section 185, read with 186, read with SBEB regulations. And now you understand that when, if I say in one line, a listed company is giving the loan to its own employee who is well, relative of managing director, who is relative of MD, to purchase its own shares in some of the schemes which are meant for the benefit of employees, whether we have to correlate all these provisions together, and how we correlate, how we compare all these provisions together. that takes time. It takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of time when we are doing this kind of analysis in our video lectures. Secondly, when I'm talking about section 152 subsection 6, when you say rotational director has a linkage with section 2 clause 87, what is that link which not many people are aware of? Another example, section 174, 184, 188 read together for the quorum of board meeting. Now 184 has a linkage with 174, which is quite different from the linkage of 188 with 174. Many people are not even aware of this. When I say many people, many qualified company secretaries are not aware of this, that relationship of 174 and 184 is different from the relationship what 174 and 188 have with each other. And then we add some MCA notifications. So that kind of comparison of 174, 184 on one side and 174 and 188 on the other side, the comparison between the two, not many people are having the clarity on the legal concepts when it comes to the comparisons like that. Another one I like to quote over here, section 184 subsection 2, a kind of a body corporate or partnership firm with which we are doing the contract, and section 2 clause 76, the related parties with which we are doing the related party transaction, and then section 185 subsection 1 subsection 2, to whom we give the loan or we can't give the loan or we can give the loan. Kind of the variety of the people or the variety of the persons covered in the different provisions, and then correlating them, the overlapping provisions, trying to find out the harmonious interpretations of the overlapping provisions. It takes a lot of time and effort and energy and will to study that hard, the will to study that hard. So you are invited to dive deep into the ocean of knowledge. And just quoting a last example over here, one side we say section 188 read with rule 15 in the Companies Act, on the other side we say regulation 23 of LODR when it comes to the related party transaction, and then the comparison of the two. You have to really work a lot on this when you are comparing section 188 and regulation 23 of LODR. The comparison between the two, it's mind boggling, and at times you are mesmerized that what is happening. And in the legal provisions there are so many traps, and you have to understand those traps, नहीं तो आप चक्रव्यूह में फंसकर रह जाएंगे. So after sharing with you all these things, only thing I like to say in the end, if you want to get attached with me in the journey of knowledge, and if you want to gain that knowledge, that confidence, that success in the long run, you can avail our video lectures. Everything you will find in the description of this video, our website, our phone numbers, and you can connect to our team. All the linkages are given below this video, and hope you will enjoy the knowledge. When I say the knowledge is power, and your beauty of your skin may die one day, the money may keep on increasing or decreasing, but with the passage of time, you keep on gaining the knowledge, you keep on adding into your knowledge, and knowledge takes you to various places, and you can just go on to the various places with the help of this knowledge. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.